Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Oh, you're good, man. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for showing me. I do a lot of YouTube stuff. Jacob Vile.
Oh, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, my name's Ben. I got two ZV418s built by a guy down south. He doesn't do it anymore. But it's got, I guess, high temp ZV5 coils in them. I don't really know the spider pack on them, but it's on a Tramp Smart 3K right now at 2 ohm. Okay. I got a 320 alternator up in the front and just 2 Optima blue tops in the back. That's all I got.
Hey, man. Is it a 6th order or 4th?
It's a 4th. 4th order, yeah.
And the back's open. Is it sealed enough to where it doesn't leak out? Is it louder with it shut, or do you not know? Or
I don't really know. Yeah. I mean, it kind of sounds the same. I haven't really.
So you probably got it pretty sealed off.
Yeah. I just did the paneling and then I put like foam stripping around the sides.
Okay.
Sealed the bottom off.
Yes, sir.
It's not too bad.
You have an upgraded alternator I can see?
Yeah.
I like it. If that's okay. Thank you. Yeah. Excuse me.
She just frightened, you can hear me from a back and you already know. I'm about to win, the killing happen, rumbling in my drum. I got many speakers up in my trunk and I turn it up and all the ladies loving how it be bumping, nigga, you can hear me before you see me, I got beats up in my trunk. All the ladies wanna kiss me, when they hear my safety up and ready. I tell that Lou and holla at you, bust some ready, get my ceiling, so once you're ready, this cheese like a deli.
Don't stop. Get these on the couch cushion. I caught shots like I'm Tom Wooden. In the kitchen with my jewelry and a pot cooking. Walking through the mine, niggas stop looking.
much up and wanna be so I took it. Talking about that, and then she just frontin'. You can hear it from my back, and you already know about the way they feeling how the my tongue. Brothers up in my trunk, and I turned it up, and all the ladies loving how it come up and they can hear it. You can hear it when you see me. I got beats up in my trunk. All the ladies want to see me. They hear my singles. When I let you bust a fade, hit my ceiling, so get you ready. So my hunters turn to racks, on my legs turn to snacks. SUVs black on me, black on SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact. So let me on, that's on check. I done turned the pound sweet into my natural habitat. I just got my taxes back. That shit put my cash in half, and it hurt. All the women off of me, I make them press that life alert. I just took a flight back to the A, I'm ready to get right to work. Me, I keep it cool as when they doing nigga, I get first. A lot of people begging on me, trying to make it out the dirt. Don't stop, pushing, you should get seeds on the couch cushions. I call the shots like I'm Tom Wooden. In the kitchen with my jewelry and a pot cooking, walking through the mountain, niggas. Turn the racks on my legs, turn the snacks. SUVs black on me, black on SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact. So let me on, that's on check. I done turned the pound sweet into my natural habitat. I just got my taxes back. That shit cut my cash in half, and it hurt. Made 6, I'm a flirt. All the women fall for me, I make them press that life alert. I just took a flight back to the A, I'm ready to get right to work. Me, I keep it cool as man, even when they get hyper first. A lot of people begging on me, trying to make it out the dirt. Don't stop, pushing, you should get seeds on the couch cushions. I call the shots like I'm Tom Wooden. In the kitchen with my jewelry and a pot cooking, walking through the mountain, niggas. All my brags turn to fakes, all my hunters turn to wrecks.
Oh, you're good, man. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for showing me. I do a lot of YouTube stuff. Jacob Vile.
Oh, nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man.
It kind of sounds the same. I haven't really.
So you probably got it pretty sealed off.
Yeah. I just did the paneling and then I put like foam stripping around the sides.
Okay.
Sealed the bottom off.
Yes, sir.
It's not too bad.
Thank you very much. What was your name?
Ben.
Ben.
Nice to meet you, Jake.
Nice to meet you.